China has been a crucial market for Nvidia's H20 AI chip. But in recent years, the U.S. export squeeze has left it battling for an alternative arrangement. In April this year, U.S. President Donald Trump dialed up his trade war, banning the H20 chips from being exported to Beijing. Now tensions have ceased, and Nvidia says it will be allowed to send its chips to China, one of its biggest customers. China's industrial production is heavily dependent on the AI chips, especially in its electronics, defense, and automobile sectors. China is the largest semiconductor market in the world and imports chips worth more than $180 billion each year. America also depends on Chinese rare earth magnets for its own defense and automobile industry. Beijing banned exporting these magnets to the U.S. when the trade war between the two countries escalated. Tech experts say there is need for both countries to ensure there is a stable chip supply chain.
So chips are fundamental to very high growth sectors like AI, cloud computing, any kind of Internet of Things devices, and also high performance computing. And this is why disruptions in chip supply chain can have large and persistent global economic effect.
The U.S. has long been concerned the high-tech chips could help boost China's military capabilities. It also wants to protect the technology of its top companies. Beijing has called Washington's curbs unfair.
I would like to point out that China opposes the politicization, instrumentalization and weaponization of technology and trade issues, as well as the malicious blockade and suppression of China. This stance has been consistent and clear.
On Tuesday, Nvidia unveiled a new AI chip model known as RTV Pro GPU, which has been tailored to meet Chinese regulatory rules. The company is expected to resume the H20 chip supplies soon, pending clearance. Chinese companies are expected to file application for chip access.
So we will start to sell H20s to the Chinese market. And I'm looking forward to shipping H20s very soon. And so I'm very happy with that.
The announcement could help China's wavering economy, battling low consumer spending and a prolonged property crisis, as well as the bottom line for Nvidia, which recently became the first company to hit a market cap of $4 trillion. Brenda Radido, TRT World.